From the traditions of Sardinia, land of longevity, a brand new line of products is born that will revolutionize the hygiene and splendor of your smile. NERO. Thanks to the incredible natural properties of coal, helichrysum oil, lentisk oil and sage, NERO toothpaste is born. It brings the whiteness on your teeth and acts naturally against the bacteria responsible for caries. NERO mouthwash, the unique mouthwash spray without rinsing, which thanks to its innovative formula, will guarantee you fresh breath for a long time at any time of the day. And thanks to the power of clays, BIANCO toothpaste is born, which exploits the natural principles contained in them, restores the natural shine of your teeth and their original splendor. NERO line, from nature to your smile.